Rizka Dewi Pramita Andi. My student ID number is 1913011017. I'm from class 3C Mathematics Education. And my friend?
My name is Maditera Maharani, student ID number 1913011068 from 3C Mathematics Education.
The first one will talk about set. Okay, what is a set? Define a set is clearly defined collection of objects. For example, first, the collection of cars in my house. Second, the collection of rare flowers. Okay, this example is included in the set because it is contained and clear. Okay, next, non-example. First, the collection of beautiful flowers. Second, the collection of handsome boys. This is non-example of a set because it is relative and cannot be clearly. Okay, how to represent a set? A set can be represented by first, sentence. Second, set forming notation. Third, register their members. Okay, for example, statement of the set with sentence is set A, which contain the elements blue flowers. Okay, next, statement of the set with forming notation is set A, which contain the elements that are of the form X, such that X is blue flowers. And statement of the set with register their members is set A, which contains the element thalline flower, sweet pea flower, and blue lotus. Okay, next, how is the set operation? First, union. The union of two sets contains all the elements contained in either set or both sets. Notation A union B. A union B is the set containing X is an element of S, such that X is an element of A or X is an element of B. Next, intersection. The intersection of two sets contains only the elements that are in both sets. Notation A intersection B. A intersection B is the set containing X is an element of S such that X is an element of A and X is an element of B. Next, complement. The complement of a set A contains everything that is not in the set A. Notation A complement. A complement is the set containing X is an element of S such that X is not an element of A. Next, set difference. Difference between sets is denoted by A minus B is the set containing elements of set A but not in B. A minus B is the set containing X is an element of S such that X is an element of A and X is not an element of B. Okay, next. XOR operation. XOR operation on the set are defined as follows. A. XOR B is the set containing X is an element of S such that X is an element of A or X is an element of B, but X is not an element of A intersection B. A union B minus A intersection B. Okay, for example can be seen on the screen. Okay, next we will talk about relation. What is a relation? Relation is a bunch of points or their pairs. The relation between the two sets is defined as the collection if the order pair in which the order pair is formed by the object from each set.
How to represent a relation? A relation can be represented by number 1, set notation. For example, set which contain the elements 3, 4, 5, 8, 7, 9. Number 2, tables. Example like this can be seen on the slide or screen. Number 3, plotting it on XY axis. For example, can be seen on the slide or screen. Number 4, mapping diagram. For example, can be seen on the slide too. How is the relation types? Number 1, empty relation. R is empty set. Example, in a basket there are 10 apples. There is no possibility of finding a relation R of getting any melons in the basket. So, R is void as it has 10 apples and no melons. Number 2, universal relation. R is A cross A. Example, suppose A is a set of all natural numbers and B is a set of all whole numbers. The relation between A and B is universal as every element of A is in set B. Empty relation and universal relation are sometimes called trivial relation. Number 3, identity relation. I is the set of A, A is an element of A. Example, when we throw a dice, the total number of possible outcomes is 36. I 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, up to 6, 6. From this, if we consider the relation 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, it is an identity relation. Number 4, inverse relation. R is an element of A cross B. R inverse is the set of B, A divide B. A, B. Example, if we throw 2 dice, if R is the set of 1, 2, 2, 3, R inverse is the set of 2, 1, 3, 2. Number 5, reflexive relation. A is an element of A. A, A is an element of R. Example, reflexive relations are given A is the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, and R is the set of 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 2, 4, 4. Is R a reflexive relation? R is not a reflexive relation because 2, 2 is not included in R. If 2, 2 is included in R, that is R1 is the set of 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 2, 4, 4. Then R1 is a reflexive relation. Number 6. Symmetric relation. Relation R on a set A if A, B is an element of R, then B, A is an element of R for all A and B is an element of A. Example: every time you find a partner, for example A, B, then look for whether B, A is also there. If it does not exist, the relation must be asymmetric. For the last, transitive relation. If A, B is an element of R, B, C is an element of R, for all A, B, C is an element of A. Example: suppose A is the set of A, B, C and R is the set of A, B, A, C, B, A, C, B, then R is not a transitive relation because B, A are and A, C are, but B, C are complicated so that R is a transitive relation. R is a set of A, B, A, C, B, A, B, 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 C, C, A, C, B, and C, C. The third, function. What is a function? A function is a relation which describes that there should be only one output for its input, or we can say that a special kind of relation which follow a rule I, every x value should be associated with only one y value. How is the function types? Number 1, one-to-one function or injective function. A function P to Q is said to be one-to-one if for each element of P there is a distinct element of Q. Example: set 1 to set 2, set 2 to set 4, so on can be seen on the screen. Number 2, many-to-one function. A function which maps two or more elements of P to the same element of set Q. Example: set 1 to set minus 1, and so on can be seen on the screen. For the last, onto function or surjective function. A function for which every element of set Q there is free image in set P. Example can be seen on the screen. That's all from us. Thank you.